So hello everyone, in this video I will explain you about the process of installing Bamboo remote agents. So here as you can see we are at the Bamboo homepage. Uh, First we need to go to this settings agents page. After clicking on that agents it will redirect you to this page, agent summary page. Here you can see I have already installed multiple remote agents on various uh, remote machines. So here are the list of existing remote agents. I will explain you the process of installing a new Bamboo agent. So first of all you need to go to this top of this page here and click on this link install remote agent. Once you click on this link you will be redirected to this page. In this page you can see there is a button called download remote agent jar. Simply click on this button and your download will be started. So the jar file size is around 155 MB. So I have already downloaded this jar file, so I'm cancelling this download. And once your jar file is downloaded you need to place that jar file on the remote machine where you want to install your Bamboo agent. So I have already placed the jar file here, as you can see, in D drive agent folder. This is the jar file. It's around 159 MB. And once the jar file is placed on your remote machine, you need to go back to Bamboo. And here you can see there is a command line provided by Bamboo. Simply copy this command and paste it here. So this command installs the remote Bamboo remote agent on default directory, that is under C users and app data. But suppose I want to download this, I want to install this remote agent on a customized location. So for that I need to provide Bamboo home location manually. For that I need to just simply pass this parameter in the command line, copy this text and paste it after Java. You need to provide your address here. So in my case it's D Bamboo. As you can see on my remote machine I have D Bamboo here. Let's delete this unnecessary file from here. So once the command is prepared, so then after that you need to go to remote machine, simply launch command prompt, run as administrator and go to that jar file location. So in my case it's D agent. So go back to C, then D cd agent. I'm at that location where my jar file is, where I have my jar file. This. Okay, so once the jar file is placed on the remote machine, you simply need to copy this command and you need to paste it here and simply click enter. It starts the process of installing Bamboo remote agent. As you can see it started creating files at my home directory. So as you can see this agent requires manual approval, so it requested for approval on your host Bamboo interface with this UUID C8 at the end of UUID. So you need to go back to Bamboo host page and you need to go to that agents page, then go to agent authentication tab and you can see there is a request with C8 at the end UUID and it is waiting for our approval. You need to manually approve this. Once this is approved go back to your remote machine and it will re-hit that URL in next 60 seconds, so just wait for it. So as you can see it is approved and it started creating some more files here and some more files, and I believe the installation part is almost complete And when you go back to your Bamboo host interface, just simply go to online remote agents page, refresh this, and you can see a new entry here, INSRTEST-009. That is our machine. So that is the process of creating a new agent. Now you can do anything you want with this agent. You can dedicate this agent to perform any job. You can add some capabilities. You can add different executables here, JDK, Git, and many more things. So that's the end of this video. Thank you.